Snoop-a-loop. You put on your green hat.
Later, blue torches him. Yes, I think I'm going to take that. No, I'm both at the same time. No, that's the blue torch. Oh, okay, of course. Yeah, of course.
Let's do this. Let's go. There's Bear Grylls in the house.
You just talk away your napping.